Learn Revit with us. You will be able to learn BIM and 3D modeling techniques like a pro.
Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Crew Revit tutorial. So starting with the years of 2025, we will use the version of Revit 2025 to carry out our online courses and video posting. Okay, so today's session is about Toposolid. Okay, this actually is a question raised by students that requesting me to answering the function of Toposolid and the calculating the soil excavating and the backfilling. Okay, so we will simply just start with a new construction template to start with our project today. Click off construction template, then from here we can see, go to the tab here, massing and site. Click on this, then you can find a Toposolid. Click on this drop down list, then you can see there's two options. Either you can create a Toposolid using the create from sketch or create from import. If you have some sort like a point cloud CAD based data, you can always import here, then the Toposolid will be automatically created. Okay, so we don't have any point cloud data, so we're going to create this by using from the sketch. Then we simply use the example of a rectangle Toposolid. Okay, finish that, then adjust the view range. Let's say we're going to 5,000 height, then okay, then the 3D view will be like this. Okay, then in order to see the changes here, you can always go to WT to tile the windows like this. Okay, so from here, now this is the one. Okay, here this is the layout. Okay, this is the 3D. Then from here, click on this Toposolid, then you can always modify the elements. Let's say I want to raise this slope to 3000 mm and this is to 500 mm. Okay, so you can see the slope here. Of course, you can start to add points for your contour lines. For example, you can add this from the elevation, then offset from the surface. I want it to be 1000, so I add it to here, so you can see the changes of your Toposolid, which is your terrain. Okay, then 500 from at the below there. Okay, like this, done. Okay, then of course you can change the material of this Toposolid. Click on here, click on the structure by category. You can change it to soil. Let's see any soil over here. Earth. Okay, let's use earth, then apply. Okay, now it's a brown color. Then from here, if you want to build a building like the pad footing here, you can always go to the structure, then click on the floor, then you can start to build your floor. Let's say I'm going to start with this floor over here. I build a floor here about this measurement, then I'm going to build another floor, then use a different name, another floor over here. Okay, now I have two pad footing here, then I can go to wireframe to see this is two building that I'm going to build. Okay, then from this 3D view, I'm going to raise this pad footing or slab going up. So change the wireframe, so I can select slab. Let's say this slab, this level, this slab is remain at this level. Okay, so go back to the 3D view here, then change it back to the shaded view. So I'm going to cut this, start to excavate. Okay, select this Toposolid, then you can see there's an excavate button here, then you click on this slab, then automatically it will be excavated here. Now you can see the soil is going out. In order to obtain the quantity of soil that need to be excavated, then you can go to view, schedule quantity, then you can go to the floors. Okay, then I want to know the area, of course. Then I want to know the excavated volume of toposolid. Then I want to know the family and type. Then these three options is good enough. Then open it, then adjust your column width. Then you can know this slab. Then you require this excavation of toposolid. This also here. Okay, so for here, let's say I want to adjust this slab height, let's say 1004. Enter. Then you can see the excavation volume is updated over here automatically. Then this is on a function. Then we can delete this slab, delete this slab. Okay, then schedule updated. Nothing now. Close this. So now, if I want to excavate, trim the slope here to excavate some soil, then cut away, then I need to select this. Then I'm going to assign this to existing elements. Okay, when existing elements, then it will become gray color. Yeah. So without selecting anything, which is the view property itself, then try to show all of the elements. Okay, then we're going to edit this. So go to massing and site, then you can see the graded region. Then click on this. You will have two options here. Either you're going to create a new topography exactly like this one, or you create a new topography based on the perimeter points only. Then of course I'm going to choose this because I'm going to create something exactly the same here. Then after clicking this, then you can see it, actually there's two topography that's lapping each other now. Then from here you can actually start to edit your points. That I'm going to trim this loop here, trim this loop here. I'm going to raise this up like this. Then you can see both soil here. Now the red color is the existing one, then the brown color of course is the new one. Then if you want to show the completed one, this is the slope that we have created just now. Then if show all, then you can see the comparison. Then in order to know the quantity of soil cut away, then of course you can go to the view now, then schedule quantity, then you scroll down toposolid. Topography. Okay, then I want to know the excavated volume. Oh no, it's cut and fill. Yeah, it's cut, fill. Okay, then net cut and fill. Okay, then surface area is okay. Of course, family and type. Then okay, then with this fill option, okay, topographic schedule. Okay, you can't find the value over here. Maybe we need to redo again, cut away. Maybe choose this to be toposolid. Toposolid. Okay, then toposolid schedule, cut and fill, family and type, and net cut and fill. Click OK. Now you can see the value over here. Net cut and fill. Cut away this one, fill away for this loop, for this here, this portion here. Fill is for this portion, cut away is this portion. Okay, so net will become like this. Of course, this is the existing one, the new one. Yeah. So this doesn't bring any information. Okay, this is the modified one. Okay, then once this other function, close this. Okay, what's other function? You can click on here. You can actually subdivide the surface. Like I want to create a root over here. curve like this, curve root along the solid toposolid. Okay, click on here, then you offset about 1 meter to create a root. Then you close this, close here. Finish that, then you can see the root created. Of course, you can assign the material now. Then the thickness, let's say is 100, then it'll be 100. Okay, then show only the new one, show the complete one, just like this. Then what's this other function? Of course, you can cut the toposolid if you have different material properties. Here is stone, then here is soil. You can cut away, cut this solid. Then let's say I want to cut it like this. Okay, then you have 2 portions. Then of course now you need to edit, duplicate it to become toposolid number 2, so you can change the structure to stone, any stone, concrete. Okay, apply. Okay, now there's 2 material here. Of course now you can schedule out your material also, how much stone, how much soil, by using the scheduling function. So then come back to here. So that's all about toposolid. They are basic function. Then I hope you can grab this knowledge. And if you are new in Revit, then new to our channel, welcome to join our course, online course in bmclue.teachable.com. Okay, if you want to follow our channel, so welcome. We have plenty of videos, then you can grab all the knowledge from there free of charge. Okay, and then of course the online tutorial will be more comprehensive and more detailed. So hope you I hope you have a happy new year and have a chance to learn more and grab this Revit skill on time. Okay, thank you.